Okay, campers, today we are making garbage eggs. I'm Christy.
I'm Jason.
I'm Aubriella. And this is...
And we are
I Wanna Camp With You. It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something fun to do. Hey campers, I think I wanna...
Okay, so like I said, we're making garbage eggs. I know that sounds crazy, but my family did it when we were growing up, and I've already got it started, so it's kind of going to be a quick video. But basically, you just take everything that you have left over from the meals that you've been cooking all week. So I had some Italian sausage, some fresh broccoli, some peppers and onions that were with the sausage. I kind of just cut it all up, put it on the black stone with a little bit of butter. Take, and I just dropped my fork in there. Take eggs and just, scramble them in the pan, throw them on there, add some cheese if you want it. We love cheese, so that's what I'm going to do. Anyway, you got to kind of wait for them to start to cook so they don't go all over the place. But once they start to cook, you just throw it all together, throw the cheese on top, and it's really good. And like I said, every time you're making something different, so it's always changing, and you'd be surprised what combinations are really good. But everybody's always looking for a really quick and easy breakfast thing, and this is probably about as easy as it gets, because you just use whatever you have.
I think you were short on eggs.
Yeah, I was. Because people maybe make breakfast 3 times this time. I don't usually make breakfast that much. But anyway.
Still delicious.
Boy, I don't know why you're complaining. It's all meat.
Starving.
Yes, we like cheese. I know. I'm putting a lot of cheese on. So you just kind of fold it in there. Get the cheese to melt. It's really good if you have like steak. I think we did that last time, didn't we?
Yeah. It was leftover taco stuff or something, right?
Yeah, I think it was. Street tacos, not taco meat. Yeah, the possibilities are pretty much endless.
I'm gonna put it on pause for here.
Okay, so Aubrey's going to be our taste tester today for our garbage eggs with, again, broccoli.
Garbage.
Yeah, garbage eggs. Duh. You act like you've never heard that before. Go ahead. How is it? Delicious? Mmm. Anyways, give them a try. Super simple, easy breakfast.
It's a great way to not carry food home from camp.
Right. Thanks for watching. Okay.
Hey, Dad Bear!
I thought you said you wanted to tell them how your garbage eggs were. Try it. I know you've been eating it like crazy.
Me too. Me too.
You got it? Got everything under control there? We good? Thumbs up?
It's Dad Bear! Hey campers, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the like button. And